trying to spread some of the same.
Why are you here?
We heard Madison's message on the radio. They're neutrally moving far behind.
看看怎样？ You're like a song that I sing in the morning.